I'm on my way to Motor City Comic-Con in Novi at the Surburban Showplace. It's been a little bit since I've been to a Comic-Con, so I am so excited. But the traffic is pretty bad right now, so I'll just pick you guys up when I get there. Alright guys, I'm back. We are, you and I, we are walking inside. There's a lot of cool people who have dressed up that we can see already. I don't know, I really wish I came with like an actual outfit, but I figured, you know, might as well just support the stream. Follow me. See you soon.
That's super dope.
I feel like I've been chosen. Do I get it?
Of course. Yeah.
Do I spend a decent amount of money on something like this at Comic-Con?
Of course.
I need it. 35. So tight, really. No idea. Lift, tight.
Keep it in the plastic until you...
But that's not fun.
That's definitely fun.
No one can see. No one knows.
We know it's the key.
Plastic right now.
You don't have to take it out right now. She doesn't listen.
Oh, it smells like it's brand new. This is the most exciting thing that's ever happened to me in my whole life. Okay, where to next? Some nostalgic comic items. We lost Monty. Oh, there he is. My parents always told me if I lose someone to just stay in the spot that I was just in and they'll find me. It's a llama.
It doesn't want to focus.
Oh wait, it's kind of blurry. Hold on.
That's gonna make a cute video.
I'm gonna get this even though I don't ever get the Victory Royale.
Oh, the NASA one?
Rick and Morty.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that's cool. I gotta get Pusheen.
Oh, is that a Pusheen as a Bulbasaur?
Bulbasaur.
That's so cute.
I have like some of the worst social anxiety, so every time I try to go take a picture with someone or get a video of someone, I really chicken out. I chicken out. What?
I need you to flip that back.
Okay.
And you're gonna turn around and you're gonna go with Belle and the Beast.
Okay.
Perfect.
So this is like the only part where there's like not a lot of people, so I don't feel weird about recording myself, except it won't focus. Oh, there you go. This is really cool. The last time I was here I was like 12, so it's just kind of really cool to see what people are dressed up as. I'm actually about to show you guys some of my favorite cosplays and costumes from Comic-Con right now. people. I didn't really talk to anyone because I'm awkward, but hopefully we can make it back next year.
Stop hitting me.
I'm not. Just trying to unlock. You bent it. You bent it. Comic book conventions are one of my favorite places to go because the atmosphere is so kind and accepting. Everyone's really nice and friendly. You know, me being like socially awkward, at least in these kind of situations, it took me a little bit, but I started to warm up after a while and started to talk to some people. I think comic book conventions are like my second favorite place behind music festivals in terms of like atmosphere. I love looking at people dress up. I love getting free stuff. I love looking at the old comic books, all the nostalgic things and action figures that they have here. It's just so cool, and it really ties into like who I am as a person. I read comic books like when I was a kid, and I've read them kind of throughout my life here and there scattered. So it's just, you know, it's just really cool. And if you've never been to a comic book convention, never turn it down because it's really fun. I'm about to drive home and hopefully edit this video, put it together and put it on YouTube. But follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/mahkaykayy, right here, okay? Yeah, drop this video a like, hit that subscribe button because we're gonna be coming to you a little more often lately. I'm sorry I haven't been keeping up on the videos, but I'm gonna do better, guys, I swear. All right, so I guess I'll see y'all on stream tonight, yeah? Yeah. See ya.